Alright, we're gonna have this burping fun. Yes! So it's Natan's turn. I had a good burp. It was a wild burp.
Wild like a wild beast thing.
Here, hold the camera. Oh, man.
Down that soda. Burp for the camera.
Oh, it's coming.
Success!
Thank you, horrible. I have more. I know I have more burping.
It's okay. Good job.
There's more, but I can't get it out right now.
Oh yeah.
Let's see. Hold on. Let's see what I can do.
When it comes to root beer, like, I become like the burping god. Well, when it's all sodas in general, but wait, hold on. I didn't even drink any and I got a burp.
I love that. I love that.
This is the only time you'll ever see me burp, America. Only time. Okay.
Chug, chug, chug.
Oh yeah.
Oh, I think my turn now.
Your
Oh
turn.
yeah. Pace myself.
Pace yourself, bruh.
It takes forever.
Nice. 2 burps in a row.
Oh, there we go.
That one's nice. Now that burp sounded like a good drunken man burp.
It's still coming out.
That one was me. What do you know? I really had to burp, so I did it. Add on to
That was
yours.
good. I think what I have to do is laugh, and then it builds up in my stomach.
Bubbles.
That was good.
Yeah.
Oh, that small one was me.
Mmm, sexy.
Oh yes, very sexy. Is there any left?
Yep.
Okay.
There's actually quite a bit left.
Shall I have the last of it or save the
Yes.
last?
Oh, nice.
It's still coming out.
This is the new age, you guys. We burp. We're ladies. Ladies burp.
Can't keep it to his face. Oh yeah.
Oh yeah.
Dudes, this is great for you guys. Not having those burp contests, now you know ladies will be part of it, you know? Rather than having the ladies at the background going, ew, it's so gross.
Yeah.
You know, now they're just gonna be like, hey, let me join.
Yeah. Fellas, we challenge you to burping contests.
Oh, I actually think they're better burpers, but for
Well,
fun.
they are, because they're used to it. They burp and fart without even thinking about it. They just do it. We have to put thought into it.
And
That's why
root
we're
beer.
your girls. And root beer. Parker's root beer. La 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 la.
Safeway.
From Safeway. Safeway. Root beer.
So,
Nora.
so, just for fun, you know, not an actual, sorry.
Nice.
Not an actual contest, but just for fun, post a reply of you burping, you know, either with soda, without soda, any way you do it. Just burp, and, you know, this is just for fun. Don't really take us seriously like, you know, contest, because that's not how we are. Alright.
And don't fart.
Don't fart and count it as a burp. That'd be really gross. There's the button right here, the red one.